G'day lovelies, welcome back. Today we're going to be making pea and ham soup. We're going to be cooking it in the slow cooker on high for approximately 6 to 8 hours. So the night before last night I grabbed the hock out the freezer and I'll put it in the fridge to thaw out so it'll be perfect for today. And I've got the Coles meaty leg hock. Then last night I got a 500 gram packet of green split peas. I poured them into a saucepan. I filled it with water. I chucked some Glad wrap over the top just so no bugs get in there, and I've left it overnight. So now I'm going to pour the split peas into a strainer and I'm going to rinse them under cold water really well. Now that I've done that, I'll set it aside until we need it. I will write the recipe and directions down below the video in the description as always. I've got 4 sticks of celery and 2 medium carrots and I've washed them all. Now I'm going to grate them. Once we've done that, we can just set it aside until we need it. Now we need brown onions, and you can put as many or as little in as you want. So I've got a medium one. I'm just going to peel it and dice it nice and small. Once I've chopped it up, I've thrown it into a small frying pan. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 heaped teaspoons of jar garlic or 2 cloves of crushed fresh garlic. I'm going to put it on a medium heat and fry it up until the onion is soft and see-through, and then turn it off until we need it. So with this recipe, you don't have to use exactly what I'm using. You can take things out and you can add things. But today I want to do it as healthy as possible, so I'm not using chicken stock, I'm using water, black pepper, Wistershire sauce and bay leaves. And then halfway through the cook, at the 3-hour mark, I'm going to be adding pearl barley. Now lucky for me, I absolutely love pearl barley, but the health benefits for pearl barley are heart health, blood sugar management, digestive health, weight management, antioxidants and minerals. And this is why soups were so good for you back in the old days. So the first thing we want to add to our slow cooker is our grated carrot and celery, then our onion and garlic mix, our rinsed and drained green split peas, some cracked pepper, 2 tablespoons of Wistershire sauce, 2 bay leaves. Now I'm going to add a litre of water and I'm just going to stir them all through together. Then I'm going to make a big hole in the middle, and now I'm going to push the ham hock into there. Move the veggies around a bit, and now I'm going to fill it to the max line, which is about 3/4 of a litre. Now I'll just give them a little mix around the outside. Now I'm going to put the lid on, I'm going to turn it on high, and I'm going to cook it for the next 3 hours. I'm going to stir it once an hour because I'm home, and if and when it needs more water, I will add it. But what I'll do is I'll boil the kettle and I'll add boiling water so it doesn't slow down the process. We're now at the 3-hour mark and I haven't had to add any water. I've got 1 cup of the pearl barley. I've put it into a strainer and I've rinsed it really well under running cold water. Alright, so I'm going to add the 1 cup now. Give it a good mix through. Now we put the lid back on and we cook it for at least another 3 hours, and we want to stir it once an hour. Okay lovelies, well it's taken an extra 2 hours, so all up it's been 8 hours. I just gave it a stir and all the meat has fallen off the bone. So what I'm going to do now is just take the bay leaves out and all the bones out and any fat that I can find. Yes Dad, I'm taking the fat out. But of course that's optional. And now she's ready to serve. Now the other thing I forgot to say is I love it rustic, so I don't worry about getting the hand blender. But if you wanted to smooth it all out and use a hand blender, I would transfer the soup into a big pot with high sides so it doesn't go everywhere when you do it. And there we have it, lovelies, a beautiful bowl of pea and ham soup. Woohoo, we finally got there. So I bought a heap of these reusable containers from Kmart ages ago. They're $7.50 a pack, and I've just looked them up and they're still available and they're still $7.50. So I grabbed one container out a couple of months ago and I've been absolutely thrashing it to see how they go. The container didn't stain, just like they said. It hasn't warped. They're absolutely fantastic quality and nice and big. So this one is from one of the Tuna Mornay frozen meals. As you can see, it's so little compared to these. So I think $7.50 for 10, knowing that you can thrash them for months and they're still perfect, is absolutely awesome, and I highly recommend them. So the containers hold 4 cups, which is incredible. So I put 2 cups in each, which is perfect for me. So besides the bowl that I ate, I've made 7 up. So I'm going to bang one in the fridge for tomorrow night for the footy. And the other 6, once they've gone completely cold, I'm going to freeze them. So if you put 2 cups in each one, pull one out frozen, take the lid off, wrap it in Glad wrap, stick it in the microwave, and you'll be able to nuke it for exactly 7 minutes. Thank you all so very much for watching. As soon as I can, I will edit it and get it up there. Have yourselves a lovely day, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Toodles!